In today's Investing with Common Sense video, I'll be discussing the 12 steps to build a sizable wealth. It appears that the rich hold secrets that only discuss amongst themselves. Secrets for growing your business, creating massive wealth, and making money work for yourself. So here's my secret. The secrets I possess are simpler than you imagine, and you can do the same. Follow these steps of the wealthy and you will find yourself at the leadership of a multi-million-dollar corporation. So let's get started. Number 1. Establish your own business and end up selling it. Regardless of your business concept, car wash service, barbershop, or coffee shop, for starters, there will always be so much hard work involved. Many businesses fail in the first few steps because they are unable to withstand challenges. This one is where you'll get recognized. Begin your firm, maintain, and then sell it after it has made millions. This is a significant business secret. Most CEOs' earnings come from another firm that has purchased their company. If you can maintain it, the benefits are overwhelming. Number 2. Establish numerous passive income streams. It's generally believed that the rich have many streams of passive income. They do not work for money, rather, money works for them. You must be able to produce cash automatically. There are several methods for generating passive income. Real estate and high-return dividend yields are the two of the most popular investment choices for people who can't afford to pay the expensive registration fees. Start a vlog and offer digital items such as ebooks or online learning to generate passive revenue. These are only a few of the ideas. There are several ways to generate passive money in this digital age. The fundamental principle of passive income is that you perform the effort once and then receive the benefits several times. This is the counterpart of active income. You must work for every cent. When you stop working, your earnings will also stop. So basically, an active income will not assist you in building wealth. Number 3. Engage in real estate. When you pay rent, you are supporting someone else in growing their bank balance. Don't get me wrong, leasing or renting for a short time isn't always a bad thing. If it's a long-term commitment, you may have to accept the idea that you won't be rich anytime soon. You should strive to acquire a home regardless of whether it means staying below your means. Speak with a mortgage agent to go through your alternatives. You could have enough money right now for a down payment. However, having this mindset allows you to take steps towards it. Number 4. Save the 20% of your salary. According to 1/3 of Americans, they still had no savings at all. To become rich, you must save a minimum of 20% of your salary. Emphasis on the word minimum. And while save your salary appears to be a message we've been receiving since the beginning, it's obvious that not many individuals are taking it seriously. In this case, the term pay yourself first has a lot of weight. Many people do not understand the significance of this message, but the smart ones understand that money acts as both an emergency fund and for daily expenses. According to another survey, over half of the working age population in the United States has zero retirement savings, and almost 75% has less than $1,000 in their bank account. They are one small emergency away from financial bankruptcy with this sort of financial status. Number 5. Get rid of bad debt. Did you realize there are several kinds of debt? Many businesses use profitable debt to their benefit. Mortgage loans for investment properties, company loans, and so forth are examples of profitable debt. But we won't get into it today since the typical person ends up with harmful debt rather than profitable debt. Unpaid credit card statements as well as high-interest loans are instances of bad debt. If you aren't cautious, they might entirely drain your bank account. In fact, I would encourage you not to consider any more purchases until you have paid off these obligations. When it's all paid off, consider buying a house or invest it in the stock market. Number 6. Track your spending thoroughly. Are you aware what drains your money account the most? Some small, useless expenditures, day after day, a pricey coffee, and every evening, food delivery. Benjamin Franklin rightly forewarned us about these small purchases. You should look over your spending to determine which expenses are necessary and which are useless. If you don't attend the gym on a regular basis, terminate your membership. Is it really necessary to have both Netflix and Disney Plus? Consider that. Monitor your income and create a weekly or monthly budget in a notebook. Whatever money remains at the end of the budget can be kept or invested. If you're like me, who struggle with numbers, use free software and websites to help you track your spending. They will calculate how much you have to save every month depending on your salary and long-term financial objectives. Let me know in the comments if you have any other questions about investing. Let's return to the video. Number 7. Create a daily plan. Are you familiar with the episode of The Office when Michael Scott shouts, "I declare bankruptcy," only to be advised that declaring is not enough? He has to do stuff to demonstrate that he is broke. The same holds true for riches. You can't just proclaim, "Oh, I'm a billionaire," and anticipate the money to magically appear in your bank account. You must work for it. Start by deciding how much you want and when you would like to accomplish it. This is the big picture for you. You may now make daily plans to help you reach your final objective. Setting daily plans has been shown to increase your sense of achievement. This awareness comes in handy while working on larger, more difficult tasks. If you're beginning from scratch, it may be tough to save for a big goal of riches. As corny as it may seem, don't succumb to fear. Instead, let it lead you. "I never want to find myself in this financial situation again" must be your daily motivational mantra. Learn how to leverage compound interest to your gain. Put whatever additional money you save into high-return investments. Number 8. Increase the value enormously. People are eager to spend large sums of money on anything they believe will provide them with value in life. If you wish to be one of the individuals they pay, you must provide a lot of value throughout time. One of the most fundamental laws of success is to put in the most work for the lowest amount of initial return. If you want to get rich quickly, this isn't the right place for you. Continue to work on your business and give greater value to your clients over time to observe how your wealth rises. Number 9. Manage your time wisely. You are given the same 24 hours also as the person beside you. Whether you are a blue-collar employee or a pro athlete, you must make the most of your time since it is a valuable asset. Every second lost equals every cent lost. Develop your time management abilities and you'll be rich in no time with your daily plans. Number 10. Get rid of your poor habits. It takes time and work to build riches. You will not be able to reach your goals if you have poor habits such as laziness, poor productivity, and useless spending. These poor habits will weigh you down and make it difficult to concentrate on your goals. Getting rid of them in order to devote all of your time and attention to increasing your riches. Number 11. Invest based on your knowledge. Invest in the pharmaceutical company if you know it inside and out. Don't invest in agriculture until you understand, live, and breathe it. One may be easily convinced by other companies they are unfamiliar with, thinking it is a terrific get-rich-quick plan. This is the most expensive financial mistake you could ever make. Investing is more than just a game of luck. A single financial mistake might wipe away a large amount of your savings. If you observe a booming company but don't know anything about it, perform some research and listen to the advice of experts before investing a single dime. Number 12, mind your own business. If you have a 9 to 5 job, you have a good chance of becoming wealthy. This, however, may be the most time-consuming and tiresome method. Starting your own business will require a lot of hard work at first, but if it takes off, you may simply sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride. Even if you have a number of failures, you must learn from it to get better. Henry Ford learned a great deal from his mistakes. He was never defeated. The man faced bankruptcy twice and was fired from his second business, but he didn't give up. He minded his business both literally and metaphorically. He learned from his failures and used them to expand his company and not caring what others were saying. There is more to life than just earning cash. This phrase completely hits me, but isn't it true that having money makes life more enjoyable and memorable? It all comes down to balance. Having many sources of income, a business that makes money for you as you enjoy life with your family, and of course, continuous money streaming into your bank balance. That's all for today's video. Hope you have learned something from this video. What are your thoughts? Comment down below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to click the like button and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell for you to be updated on our latest videos. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.